Let's see. Sometimes things just make me laugh. I'm here at the Tokyo, the Tool Japan show, and I'm waiting for a friend at the sign-up counter and listen to the music they're playing. Whole blue eyes, just one after another. Just listen to it. New York, New York. We're in Japan. Why are they playing Frank Sinatra? Don't know. Vloggy kind of thing. Get us both in a shot. So here we are today at the Tool Japan show 2019 in Makahara Messe, Chiba. So I've got Dustin here with me. What do you call your thing? The tile beauty? What is it?
The tile otaku.
Tile otaku. He's an amazing tilist.
Tile setter.
Tile setter. Anyways, we're gonna have some fun today and see what they got up for offering.
刈り取った芝は天然の栄養素となり、いつでもカーペットのような芝生を維持できます。完全自動制御でバッテリーの残量が減ると自動でバッテリー
日本語ポリオ系です。これお袋でソーラパワーすごいね。
なんでお会いするんだ初めてですけど、この前東京都の
Aluminum tray decking, plastic wood real wood looks really cool. Oh, we just finished the Tool Japan show. What did we think of that? It's okay. Dustin was there looking for some tiling tools and we really didn't find any. I was there looking for a cord drill setup to drill holes in walls. Didn't really find that. But it was interesting. It was pretty small. There must have been 10 different organizations or companies there selling gloves. Like 10? Really? It was pretty amazing. But anyways, not a bad show. I'll probably come again next year. Beautiful day for it. My goodness, sunny blue skies. Temperature's just right. But we got a typhoon coming in this weekend, so that's gonna suck. But anyways, signing off now from Tokyo. Take care and we'll see you again.